Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an entry to your journal in the Blobby application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look at the bottom of your right corner and you can see there are three lines, and right next to it you can see the second option, which is an emoji. You can just press on it and this kind of serves as your journal. Here you can just select an emoji. How do you feel today? Right now, for example, I'm feeling a little bit of sleepy. I'm just going to select that one, and you can also write here about your day a little bit, whatever you want, and you can just press save down below, and you have just added basically an entry to your journal. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.